Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram message unsend option not working problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. Unsend option not working problem. First go to phone settings and scroll down, tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search Instagram. Now tap on Instagram, force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on permission option and allow all permission, first to last all permission allow, first calendar allow, back and second call logs allow, another camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices and notifications, turn on notification. Okay, go back, phone allow, back, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission complete. Okay, done. And go to your Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search Instagram, tap on Instagram, check update your Instagram. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, done. And now check your internet Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Instagram and tap on message option, tap on any contacts and tap on message and tap on unsend option. See, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.